Second turf cutter. This is the larger version of the two. They're both commercial machines. There's some differences in these. Both got the same engines. Both got the same cutting panel, but that's a solid piece of steel through there. These weigh over 90 kilos, these machines, and they do an excellent job. They're great for people in the kerbing industry, people who've done synthetic turf cutting in, or just general turf cutting. Okay, basically they are a belt. The implement is driven by a chain, and the machine is driven by a belt, so it drives itself along, so it's self-propelled, just over the controls. This is basically the depth gauge, the accelerator, and the engage and disengage. Okay, so we'll run it up and we'll do some turf cutting. Okay, I'll just show you the work the machine does up here. As per usual, you get a beautiful sod cut, beautiful trench for running irrigation or running kerbing in. And it's very good if you consider this ground is a little damp. The harder the ground, the easier it is to cut the turf. So basically, that's our two different turf cutters. Are you ready? Okay, g'day, it's Jeff from Jeff's Tools. Just going to quickly show you over our new commercial sod cutter. This is our light version. It has a jockey wheel style depth gauge. As you can see, the cutter there. We've ran it through a few times, so it's a bit dirty. Through there. And you can height set your blade. Okay, now it's self-driven, so it drives itself around via this paddle drum here, and it has the Kohler 6.5 horsepower engine with a 3-year Australia-wide commercial warranty. Now we can deliver these anywhere in Australia. Okay, what we're going to do is just quickly to show the machine. A lot of people use these in the kerbing industry, but you can use them for turf cutting. Just general turf cutting. People use them in artificial turfing when they go around do edges and things like that. So we're just going to quickly show you the machine cutting some turf. Okay, come up here. And as you can see, you get a beautiful it's getting a bit long, but you get a beautiful sod cut at the right depth. So you can go through, if you're using this just to cut turf, there's no problems. But you can also go right through and you can get you can lay a nice trench, a nice curb in there. So a bit puffed as usual, but yeah, so you roll it up and you can see you can get a nice curb. So it does a nice clean job for you. So it's a good machine. I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to show you over our curbing machine range, including our turf cutters. Okay, this is our latest machine, our electric. It's our electric curbing machine. It's just been run up. We've been using it, as you can see in the other footage, to show people what it does. You can see it's got the levelers. This is our petrol curbing machine with the Kohler engine. They both come with the same accessories. As you can see, the two curbing, the free curbing profiles, so they're there, and the trowel set, and the same on the petrol one, and there and there. Essentially very similar machines. The hopper is larger on this, and that's really, and they're petrol driven, and the extrusion rate is a little bit quicker on the petrol one. And as I said, we have footage of that. Okay, we're just going to show you quickly our curbing machine, our turf cutters, which go hand in hand with the curbing range. This is our large turf cutter, and we have some footage of that running. And you'll this is self-propelled, as this is. This is actually a chain drive, self-propelled system. And basically how these machines work: engage, disengage, and your depth set here, and depth lock out here. Okay, this is our smaller, more compact, more affordable turf cutting machine, both with the same Kohler 6.5 coverage engines. This is self-propelled as well, but it's a paddle drive system, which works fine. They're quite a nimble little machine, and you can see we've got some footage of them working. Okay, and this is the jockey wheel style depth system, and that is our system. We also have large mortar mixers, which we have other footage of.